Hello, and welcome to the Emerson Exchange Studio. I'm your host, Heidi Fellner, and I am so excited to bring you a very special guest today, Mike Train, the Executive President of Emerson Automation Solutions. Welcome, Mike. I'm so glad you could be here.
Hey, thank you. This is great.
So my first question is, a year ago, Emerson announced plans to become Emerson Automation Solutions. So how's that going?
You know, it's been an interesting year, and it's been good for us. So we used to be called Emerson Process Management.
Okay.
We took a little more of a focus on automation as a company. We actually divested some other businesses and took on the Automation Solutions moniker, and it's been really good for us so far. We serve across a bunch of different industries, really focused on the automation space.
My second question is, you travel around the world a lot and you meet with a lot of customers, and I was just wondering, you know, what's on their minds? What are you hearing?
Yeah, no, it's a distinct privilege to get to go around the world and meet with them, talk to them. But there's a pretty common refrain that comes back. You know, they're all under a lot of pressure to deliver results. And whether that's today, this month, this quarter, you know, that intense scrutiny, that focus is big on them. So, you know, we're trying to use automation to find ways to help them to perform better.
There is a concern, and I've heard it too, that in the industry, that automation is taking all of our jobs away eventually.
Yeah,
so
wow.
I know, it's a sticky one.
Yeah.
What's your take on that?
Well, you know, it's been interesting to kind of end up in the headlines a little bit as automation. Automation actually has been the thing that's helped companies be more productive and ultimately make more money and actually being able to reinvest. So, you know, we've been out talking to people about how to use the automation to reinvent yourselves, to go through this digital transformation.
Yeah.
And here at Emerson Exchange this week, we've been talking about the digital enabled worker.
Okay.
What's that worker look like in the future? Maybe just in a few short years, it could be quite different.
So you're very optimistic about it. You see it in a positive way.
Absolutely optimistic about it.
So Mike, I really loved your keynote speech.
Thank you.
And I was just wondering, what are you looking forward to most this week?
You know, this is truly one of my favorite events of the year. We've got 3,000 people here. For me, first and foremost, it's talking to the customers. Just their feedback, the things that they give us. You know, we use that in our business to make things better for the future. And my personal favorite is the technology exhibits. You know, we have a huge area set aside with all of the technologies and the experts and the interactions, the exchange that takes place. It's awesome.
Sounds good. I'll see you there.
Great.